Hello friends, welcome to Nauneet Kaur's kitchen. As per your requests and demand, I am introducing you to my newly launched cookery book named Nauneet Kaur's Kitchen. And here is the book. This book is available online in India on Amazon.in, shopclues.in and flipkart.com. It is also available internationally on amazon.com. The book contains multi-cuisines, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, bakery, desserts and a special section for children. Let's go through some of the pictures of the recipes. Stuffed tomato paneer curry, murg sunehri, yang chow fried rice, English fruit tea cake, mango and yogurt ripple popsicle. My book contains multi-cuisines, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, bakery, desserts and a special section for children. Thank you for your patience and I look forward to your views after you try these recipes. So friends, enjoy!